In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Vimeo video in PowerPoint, which is an essential skill for anyone looking to enhance their presentations with dynamic content. We're going to go through this step by step, ensuring that you have everything you need to seamlessly incorporate videos into your PowerPoint decks. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you've selected the Vimeo video you want to use. To do this, open your web browser and go to vimeo.com. If you aren't already logged in, enter your credentials or set up an account if you're new to Vimeo. Finding the right video is crucial, so take your time to choose one that complements the message you want to deliver. Once you're logged in and have selected your video, look for the share button. It's usually located near the video player on the Vimeo interface. Click on share and you'll see various options appear. Here, you want to focus on copying the video link. It's important to note that you're copying the link and not the embed code, as PowerPoint requires the link for this process. Now, with your video link safely copied, let's move into PowerPoint. Open your PowerPoint presentation and navigate to the slide where you'd like your video to appear. This could be an introductory slide, somewhere in the middle for emphasis, or even as part of your closing statements, wherever it will be most impactful. Once you've selected your slide, click on the Insert menu at the top of your PowerPoint window. A drop-down will show different insert options. Select Video, which will lead to a secondary menu. From here, choose Online Video. You'll notice a field where you can paste your copied Vimeo link. Go ahead and paste it into this field, then click Insert. Now PowerPoint will process the link and you should see a video box appear on your selected slide. That's essentially all you need to do in terms of embedding, but remember that an internet connection is essential. When you start your presentation and reach the slide with the video, it will play smoothly as long as you're connected to the web. Before you finish, take a moment to preview your presentation, click through the slides, and when you reach the one with your Vimeo video, double check that it plays as expected. Good presentations are all about planning and preparedness. Embedding videos can be a brilliant way to keep your audience engaged and interested. With these few easy steps, you're well on your way to making your presentations more dynamic and compelling. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to run through this process a few times to get comfortable. Thanks for joining me today and happy presenting.